Hi guys, we are applying my new favorite eyeshadow. So it is the Julep Eyeshadow 101 Cream to Powder eyeshadow stick. So I have it in the rose shimmer tone here, so that's how it looks on my arm for a little swatch test. And I'm applying it to my lids now here. I've just got a little bit of concealer on my eye itself. But I super love the formula of this. It is just so soft to the skin as soon as you put it on. It is paraben free, cruelty free, and it does have a little built-in smudger at the end as well. So definitely love that, especially if you're doing any of the darker shades. It's super helpful. This stuff though is so long wearing, and I think that's because it is the cream to powder finish. So I'm still just like going through it and smudging it just to kind of show you so you can see it doesn't like crease into your any of your fine lines at all. So this is just a super light kind of goldeny pink color, and then I applied the rest of my makeup on, so some liner and mascara, and you can kind of just see how it all comes together. So really pretty, a little pop of color on the lid. It is super affordable and they have such a large color range. Definitely check it out.